Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah boy we stock 'em up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon. Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah boy we stock 'em up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.
Yeah, man, so you seen the box Chevy, and then, you know, whenever you find one, it's a plus, man. You know, when you find one box Chevy is a plus. You go in there, you're looking, and you like, man, I wish I can get one of these. I've been looking for a minute. You know, I was trying to find a two-door. I was trying to find a nice, nice ride, you know what I mean? But, you know, just satisfied if I can just get one. So that was what I was trying to do. Find one. I was lucky enough to find, well, I ain't even gonna say I was lucky enough.
I seen the back end of it.
Yeah, and that's if you had said that, you wouldn't be back.
What we got? We're gonna take a look. Take a look here. Oh, what is that? Looks like a box Chevy, yo. Looks like a full top box Chevy, all white. The blue with the blue interior, with the tilt steering, with the man, this is alright. This is alright right here, yo. 305. The top might have to need a little bit of work, but hey, for what it is, man. 89, I think. Body is straight. I don't see no major rust. So it's the chrome, just what I want. That one bad spot right here, but it's cool. I'll let that slide. I'm good with that. I'm good with that, man. Needs a transmission, but I know a way I can spin this a little rough, but I'm good with that. I know how to make that work. The trim's a little rough, but hey, we good. Get the 305 in here. I think 30, yes, 5.0 liter 305 does run. I have heard it run. So that's a plus, baby. Plus. Yes, sir. So, plans. The plans. That's plans. 89 LS Brougham. 8-9 years. Oh, it's a Brougham. Full top Brougham, man. I know y'all gonna correct me on that. Hey, check this out. Built in Arlington, Texas. It's been sitting 8-9 years. We're gonna get the scale off this thing right quick. What I do know, it is a performance option. 305 is what the tag says. That's what we gonna do, man. I don't know what we'll do here. I don't want to get that cleaned up. Let's get that on that. We're gonna try whatever she just car wash to do. It's got a spot right here I didn't notice. A little dent here, but it'll be alright, man. Then we got paint flaking here. I ain't tripping. And I ain't tripping. Front end, paint here. But I ain't tripping again. So we're gonna make something happen. Regardless, it's got the European front end. This is an 89, of course. 308 gear, posi track rear, performance option. Whistle clean interior. Whistle clean interior. No opera lights. down. Shorty doo-wop putting in that work. It looks good, man. It looks good. Got a couple spots on it. Might be able to hit it with some wax and knock off, I guess. You got some dents in it too. We'll see how it all turns out. I know I'm gonna have to get that wand from her. She ain't tall enough to reach nothing. It's got a 308 gear. I wish it had like a 342. That's okay. That just means I don't have to go looking for one. For a house, you know, a carrier. What up? What up? We're gonna look at him. I done seen it. We unloading. Unloading. He's running. Clean him up just a little bit. We got a service engine soon light. I don't know what y'all can see. Let me drop this window here. The AC tried to come on. It's cool. I better pull up. Oh, Nelly. She won't get down, man. No major sun damage. Nerve-wracking part here. Salma. Here we go. Check that mirror. It works. Adjust the mirror. Make sure we back it down on top of the ramp. Backing down on the ramp. Yes. She shifted. And she shifted. Did you just feel that? Mind you, this is said to have a bad transmission. No, she's lazy. Yeah. She's got a lazy shift. Yeah. She's got a lazy shift. That's okay. Would you swap it? Running like this? Running like this? Would you would you swap it? I'm curious. I mean, I don't want to. Just take and hit it with, clean it up, spray it up, put the trans in it. All is good.